Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time I'm going to show you how we can nudge someone on a Duolingo. So we of course open up the app like this, and I'm inside of the course as usual, but I'm going to click on the subscription at the bottom. So as you can see, the Super Duolingo, I'm going to click there and I can see my current family here. So I can click on manage like that in here, and I can see the people in my family members, right? But you can see one of them has the nudge button. If I had more people in here, I would naturally see them as well. But I can click on a nudge like that, and I can specifically type in some specific things, right? Like, I can add the emoji of different kind or whatever, and I'm going to click on send the nudge. Right, so as you can see, we have nudged that person and they are going to receive a notification. So that's how we can do this. Of course, you can perform it with the friends and family as well, but I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Let me know if you found this video useful. Subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.